If you want to get fitter, you have to train more, right? Wait, because the conversation isn't that simple. So training is when you break down your muscles. However, rest is what builds them up. You can't be fit without having both of these things, and that's why recovery for athletes is very important. And by now, I am pretty sure you would have guessed my today's topic. Well, today I'm going to talk about recovery nutrition. So stay tuned and I'll be back after this short break. Athletes, welcome back to my channel, and this is Rashmi Cherian, your sports nutrition expert, and in today's video I shall be talking about post-exercise recovery. So let's first understand why is recovery so important. So as athletes, we focus a lot on training and equipment that we forget about recovery, and that's a big mistake because recovery is an important aspect of a training program because it allows the body to repair and strengthen itself between the workouts. It also allows the athletes to recover physically and psychologically. Remember, the gains we make in the training occur actually during recovery, but only in the presence of adequate rest and optimal nutritional support. So if you don't take care of these, then not only you miss out on the benefits of the workout, but you can create more problems like getting injured or sick. And there are certain factors which influence post-exercise recovery, which include sleep, stress, then nutrition and hydration, frequency and time of training load, then alcohol intake, and then methods of warm-up pre-exercise and cool-down post-exercise. So among all these factors, recovery nutrition has a major impact on recovery. Good nutrition speeds up your return in full form to the next training session or match and improves performance. So recovery nutrition is based off 4 R's: rehydration, refuel, repair, and rest. So let's first talk about rehydration. Rehydration is simple to understand. So it refers to replenishing the fluids lost during a training. So rehydration is a fundamental step in recovery, but when, what, and how much will depend on the athlete and the particular events. It also depends on the exercise intensity, duration, and environmental conditions like altitude, heat, and humidity. Moreover, individual characteristics like body mass, genetic predisposition, physical fitness, metabolic efficiency might influence the sweat rate for a given activity. It is estimated that athletes need to drink 150% of what they lost during exercise, and water is fundamental for hydration. But fluids containing minerals are also useful, and even milk is good because it contains lot of rehydrating properties along with carbohydrates and proteins. So athletes get in the habit of drinking adequate fluids to ensure you are well hydrated before your next training or match. Next R is refuel. The first 30 minutes after a workout is a key window in starting recovery. So carbohydrates are required to replenish glycogen used for energy, whereas proteins are required for repairing damaged muscle fibers. So the ideal ratio of carbohydrates to proteins is 3:1. One important point during the course of the day is meals should be balanced to support the energy needs of your training. If the goal is to maintain or build lean muscle mass, meals should have higher protein content, whereas athletes focused more on endurance will have higher carbohydrate needs. So athletes, third R is repair. Along with carbohydrates, it is important to repair torn muscle tissues with proteins. And if athletes eat properly during their recovery period, they will repair and regenerate muscle tissues more quickly. So athletes, to achieve this, foods high in proteins like chicken, fish, eggs, seafood, beans, and lentils are the key. So the last R is rest. There is no doubt sleep is a vital physiological function and one of the most important factor in post-exercise recovery. Sleep is crucial to the healing process for both mind and body. It is known that eating the right kind of foods before going to sleep is beneficial in improving the quality of sleep, and several nutrients have been shown to improve sleep. like carbohydrates, melatonin, tryptophan-rich proteins, antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables, and micronutrients. So athletes try and aim to get 8 to 10 hours of sleep a night. But it can be a challenge to get this many hours of sleep if you are caught up on your cell phone or computer late night. So rest is not only important for your proper recovery, but for growth and good immunity. So recovery is a crucial component in improving your overall performance. So if you focus on restoring lost fluids, replacing both carbohydrates and proteins post-exercise, and resting 8 to 10 hours a night, you will be well on your way to optimal performance. Remember, how well you recover today will greatly determine your performance tomorrow. Know, adopt, and consistently apply these 4 R's. It's the right way to reap all the rewards of proper recovery. So if you want more tips and want to improve your game, then let me know your concerns in the comments below. I am Rashmi Cherian, Bangalore-based sports nutritionist, but I am available online to help you, guide you to take your game to the next level with my one-on-one session. This is my website, and the info to reach my team and work with me is all in the description box. So I will see you next week. Until then, you follow everything you have learned in today's session. But all of that after you hit that subscribe button, like button, share and comment. Have a lovely weekend, and I will see you in the next one.